From food to nutrient. Nutritional role of food. In the same way gasoline powers engines and vehicles, food provides energy to our body. Food is our unique source of energy. A food supplies nutrients, which are substances that provide energy for activity, growth, and all functions of the body such as breathing, digesting food, and keeping warm. Materials for growth and the reparation of the body, and for keeping the immune system healthy. Digestion and nutrient metabolism. After ingestion, foods are digested and absorbed to be used or stored by the body. Molecules in the digestive system called enzymes break proteins down into amino acids, fats into fatty acids, and carbohydrates into simple sugars, for example glucose. In addition to sugar, both amino acids and fatty acids can be used as energy sources by the body when needed. They are also structural constituents of the body. These compounds are absorbed into the blood, which transports them to the cells. The transformation of food into nutrients and their absorption take place in the intestine. Among the nutrients absorbed, two types can be distinguished. Macronutrients, for example, protein, carbohydrate, and lipid, are nutrients that provide calories or energy. They are required in large amounts to maintain body functions and carry out their activities of daily life. Their nutritional intake represents more than 1 gram per kilogram body weight per day. Micronutrients, for example minerals and vitamins, are needed only in small amount except for calcium and sodium. Generally, their nutritional intake represents less than 100 milligrams per day. As tiny as the amounts are, the consequences of their absence could be severe. Different food groups. Regarding nutrient composition, different food groups can be distinguished. The most common basic food groups are fruits and vegetables, starchy foods including cereals, meats, fish and eggs, dairy products, fats, sugary products, and drinks including water. A food guide pyramid or diet pyramid is a diagram representing food consumption. The bottom part of the pyramid represents foods that could be consumed in large amounts, and the top part of the pyramid shows foods whose consumptions should be limited. There are different kinds of food guide pyramids throughout the world. Energy value and dietary recommendations. To maintain a good health, nutrients should be provided to ensure the body's needs are met. Nutrition is the intake of food considered in relation to the body's dietary needs. An adequate, well-balanced diet combined with regular physical activity is a cornerstone to avoid the emergence of nutritional pathology. Energy value is expressed in kilocalories or in kilojoule, knowing that 1 kilocalorie is equal to 4.19 kilojoule. Macronutrients have different energy values. Protein and carbohydrate provide 4 calories per gram, while lipid provides 9 kilocalories per gram. According to the official recommendations, energy should be provided from 50 to 55% by carbohydrate, 35 to 40% by lipids, and 18 to 25% from proteins. Energy requirements vary depending upon age, sex, size, metabolic rate, and activity level. If we consume more calories than we need, we put on weight and deposit the excess energy in the form of fat in adipose tissue. The dietary requirement for a micronutrient is defined by the World Health Organization as an intake level which meets specified criteria for adequacy, thereby minimizing risk of nutrient deficiency or excess.